to the Kingfisher Lodge at 98 Kingfisher Road, Mount Cotton. My name's Justin Murray from the Murray team at Remax Bayside Properties. This beautiful property sits on 9.3 acres and has 5 separate horse paddocks right down the back to a massive dam. Go for a ride and check it out. The property features a beautiful 5-bedroom renovated home. It's got an entertainment area over here for parties, a beautiful swimming pool, salt water, and it's even got a 60-foot shed at the back with an attached granny flat. On behalf of the Murray team, thank you for watching. We look forward to catching you up soon. Bye for now.